Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have kind of a different video. In today's video, I actually get my nails done by somebody. So right here we have my nail student Hope, who's practicing a nail fill with nail art on me. I'm showing her, we had a one-on-one session, and I basically had her do my nails. So off camera, I showed her, how I personally prep the nails, shape them, things like that on one hand. And then on the other hand, what you're seeing on video is after we've kind of like gone over everything and her practicing those steps herself. So here we have her using the artificial enhancement prep bit to prep my natural nail and clean up the cuticle area. You can see in some of the footage, she's still trying to, get her bearings and get more comfortable with, holding the e-file and things like that. But I mean, with time, she'll get better. So we're at it. We're at a good start right now. So now Hope is going in with the cuticle ball bit, and she's just using this to help clean up the dead skin and exfoliate around my fingertip. Next, we've got the acrylic application. She did this pretty well. She's actually really good at laying acrylic, so I really honestly didn't have much to really tell her here. Just a couple tips and tricks, but for the most part, she's really good with this part still. Yay, go Hope! Now we're on to the next step, which is filing. I'm just gonna let you all watch this part and not really say much here. She's really good at filing too, so again, I didn't have to really do much here or teach her much here. She already kind of knew what she was doing. Moving on to the polish application and design, we're gonna go and do one coat of my favorite pink color, put it in neutral by OPI. We're gonna do one coat of that on all the nails and then cure. After the nails are cured, she's gonna go in with this burnt orange color. I'm not sure of the name, but I'll list it in the description box. So she's gonna get a nice coating there on like the bottom half of the nail, and then she's gonna move on to the other part, which will be to take that same pink color that we used before for the first coat and kind of like blend it into this burnt orange. So as you can see, both of these colors are still wet. We didn't cure them. And she's just gonna go in and blend pretty much as possible, or until she likes the blend that she has. Keep in mind that during this step 2, you also want to clean off the brush as well, so it doesn't get, you know, gunked up with 2 different colors of polish. So. After the nails are cured, she's going to go in with a second coat of the burnt orange color and get that on the nail to create a more opacity, and then she's going to go in with that pink color again to blend in the nails even more. Finishing off with the top coat after we're done with the ombre design on all of the nails. This is a matte top coat. This is the matte top coat by Koopa, I believe. We're gonna coat all the nails and then cure, and after that we'll get into our design. These are the final results. I think they came out really, really nice. Hope did such an amazing job. She's such a great nail tech. And yeah, I got a lot of compliments on these nails, so I'm really happy with how they came out. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!